moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Peachtree City, East Point, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, Fairburn, Tyrone, Hateville, Palmetto, Hartsfield Jackson Airport, and Sandy Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 5